What's up guys, it's Lauren, the Female Filmer. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing some model train stuff, which I haven't done in a hot second because summer busy going all over the place. But today I'm in Iowa City at the Johnston County Fairgrounds, and we're gonna check out the Hawkeye Model Railroad Club. They invited me out to come check out their newer building and their layouts. And it's kind of funny because I didn't think about this, but I wore my Iowa State Railroad Club shirt, and as I said, I'm in Iowa City, so I'm like in Hawkeye territory. Whoops. Oh well, it's fine. Which is actually funny because I do go to Iowa currently. That's where I'm getting my master's. But went to Iowa State first. So stuff you probably don't care about. Anyway, let's go check out their layouts. It's been a while since I've been to like a county fair because, you know, I'm older now, not in 4-H anymore, that sort of thing. But oh, fair food smells so good. It's also only like 9 a.m. but oh, I'm hungry now. So here is their new building, which looks super nice. So let's go check it out. Oh, I like how their sidewalk looks like rails and ties.
So you have a couple right there at the back. So you horseback. Okay, go a little further. Now, you might have over here. So this is, yeah, thing. You know what? Life is hard.
It's a cool bridge.
Okay, now you can pull it back. Come on, you want to get in right in there.
Of course, it has John Deere's on it.
Of course it does.
No, it doesn't want to do it. Oh my gosh! I love that!
Yep.
So, yeah.
I need to get a Clem car. Just because it's pink.
They still make them.
I know, this is cool.
Right up here is another truck.
So on this layout, we have two levels of layout. We have an upper level and a lower level. The lower level is fully complete. We have all the track laid to run full continuous loops during our fair time. It is a double-tracked main line just for sake of running trains without running into each other. We have 1,200 feet of HO scale code 83 track laid down, and that is 12. In that 1,200 feet, it will take you 20 minutes to make one loop around the entire layout on one level. So in total, without helix time, 2 levels of track will take you approximately 45 minutes to complete one lap.
That's nuts. That's insane. Little static model of Silver Plume.
Looks like a wire cut. Isn't it right? Yeah, this one was giving us trouble yesterday. Okay.
overview of the layout. I still haven't rail fanned that. Like, it's not that far from where I live, and I still haven't gone and seen it.
Yeah.
Which I'm slightly ashamed of, but. Burlington, Cedar Rapids, and Northern. So in the building, they have several different gauges. When you first walk in, they have an N scale layout, and then they have garden, G scale around the top, and then now I'm in like the main room. So we have HO, and then down there we have O gauge, 3 rail O, and then over on the other side there's some S scale. Oh, and I guess there's some O and 30, but so a lot of different things happening in this building. What's awesome is they made a lot of this ADA accessible, so you can get wheelchairs up here, scooters, so that way everyone can enjoy the layout and operating.
Bask in CSX glory.
Oh, okay, it is a Chessie heritage, it's fine.
Oh, you like the chassis?
Well, the cat's cute.
Well, here, let me get the scale trains and all their wonderful foam protection.
Oh yeah, see, that's the problem. I'm clumsy, so I'm always scared to take. Is it a layout if there's not a Thomas hiding somewhere? Not gonna lie, that scared the crap out of me.
That's the intent. I was like, she probably has no idea this is about to happen, so.
No, you.
It at least got heritage. But then another key part of that is
Burlington engine heritage. So I just had a really nice visit at the Hawkeye Model Railroad Club. They gave me a sticker to cover up my Iowa State stuff. It's super awesome. They've been in this building. I think they started construction, they said, in 22 or 23. They've made a lot of progress. The layout's coming along. Also, they are sponsoring a train show. So October 19th, there will be Sunday. It's a Sunday. There will be a train show in Iowa City, and I will be there because it's on Sunday. We run trains that Saturday in Mount Pleasant, but because it's on Sunday, I can hit it up. So if you want to go to another train show in Iowa, remember that. And I just want to say thank you to Diane and Jerry and the rest of the members who were there. Super welcoming, gave me the whole tour. I'm very excited to see how the layout progresses as time goes on. As you can maybe see in the videos, there's still a little bit of construction going on, but they can run trains in a loop, so they're getting there, and eventually, you know, the scenery will come and all of that, and it's really cool. It's on, a lot of it is based on what's Iowa Interstate now, and so I'll be seeing some of it in person in the fall. If you didn't know, they're doing Railroading Heritage of Midwest America. Silvis is doing excursions in September, 2 excursions, and one of them is on the Iowa Interstate towards Amana. So kind of we'll get to see that line in person a little bit, which I'm excited for. It's gonna be a fun day.